Well, just got back from my brother's food cart. He works at the Twirling Bird. Can't remember the name of the food pod because God won't allow me. Like, it never allows me to do anything. Anyways, it's over near the corner of First and Killingsworth. It's really good stuff. Calvin had this presented a lot better when he gave it to me, but then I got full and then crammed it in this to-go box, so the way it looks is, thanks to me. Sorry about that, guys. So, there you go. Take some of these. Here we go. Accidentally dumped all the ranch out. Good job, Kirby. Let's fold this damn thing up so it stops getting in our damn fucking way. There you go. Gonna have it with some Mountain Dew. Yeah, buddy. Let's fold these other things.